let us go and create the virtual machine replication stuff. Before we do that, let us go ahead and create a resource group in your target location. In our class, I have chosen West 2 as a target region, so I'll be using the same thing. So I'll be calling as target hyper. So this will be my resource group, and it will be in West US 2, and then I'll be creating that. So inside this, I need to basically create a storage account and a virtual network. Let us get started with virtual network first. So let me go ahead and then create a virtual network in target hyper, and let me call it as target net, and it will be in West US 2. So I'm going with default option, that is more than enough for me. So we have this stuff. Let me review and create. And while this is happening, let me go ahead and create one more resource, which I would basically call as storage account. Select the storage account and then click on create. So this is also on target hyper. I want this to be in West US 2, and then storage account's name, let me call it as target migrate. So rest of the things I'm okay with it. I'll be calling it as review and create. Fine. So let us wait for all of these stuff to be created. So everything is created. Now you get into Azure Migrate, Servers, scroll down, Azure Migrate, select Replication. In the classroom, I have selected assessments. I'll be using some of those assessments, right? So yes, they are virtualized. Do you want to use an assessment? Yes, I want to use an assessment. In the classroom, I've used an assessment called as trail assessment, where all the three were present. Otherwise I had a Linux or a Windows assessment. I'll select all the three virtual machines, and then I'll try to select it. In West US 2, I've created a resource group which is called as target hyper. In that, I have a storage account called as target migrate. I have a network called as target net. In that, I have a default subnet. So if you have hybrid benefit, you can go with the respect to that. Click on next, and then it is asking what is going to be your size. I'll try to choose B1S. Let me try to find B1S. Standard underscore B1S. Here also I'll be trying to choose standard underscore B1S. The only reason why I'm using B1S is because it is free. Alright. For 750 hours. When I say free, it is not literally free for whatever time which you use, but right. So now let me click on next. It tries to tell that this pattern is not working out. So just give IAS. You're not supposed to use underscores. So you can call it as IAS May 29. I'll go with Tomcat May 29. And then what is your OS type? IAS is Windows. This is a Linux machine. Right. And this is also a Linux machine. And here I'll be giving the name as May 29. Let me click on next disks. It is trying to tell what are the disks which you want to replicate, right? So whatever are selected, you will basically replicate that. Review and then replicate. That's it. So now if you see, server replication is under progress. That's it. So we need to wait for till this replication is basically being done. Okay, as mentioned in the classroom, go through the documentation, and this documentation will try to help you on how to get that stuff done. All right. Okay.
Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe our channel and click on bell icon.